Hey friends, it's me. Today I will show you how to solve your red battery problem like this. So you need to first connect this cable here and it will show only red battery logo. So what you need, first of all, you need a hair dryer like this or any source of heat. Okay, so you can easily solve your problem with any source of heat. So first of all, go to the battery side in a back panel and now heat with minimum. Look at here, it's a 0 1 2 3. Okay, so first you need to do with number 2 and now heat up your phone just like that. This side is battery, so you need to heat up in battery side. Check your heat in your mobile phone just like that. Now I'm going to heat with 3. Now check your phone, it's warm at 42-45 degree. Now reconnect your cable with phone and it also showing red battery here. You need to do for a 2 to 5 minutes. Okay, you need to do 2 to 5 minutes. So I'm going to do again with minimum temperature. This is iPhone 6. You can do for iPhone 7, 8, 8 plus, any iOS devices, or iPhone 4 and 5 also work. Now checked, it's not working right now. I'll heat up. And wait for 2 to 5 minutes and it will be turn on your phone. It's warm. Don't do with screen side. Okay, hey, it's work, man. Now it's showing a percentage here. Now my phone is on, you can see easily. Now my phone working perfectly here. Okay, you can easily try this method